6G is the next generation of cellular network technology, and it's expected to be even faster and more reliable than 5G. 6G is still in its early stages of development, but India is one of the leading countries in the world in 6G research. In this video, we'll discuss the following. 1. What is 6G and why is it important? 2. What are the challenges that need to be addressed before 6G can be deployed in India? 3. What is the timeline for 6G deployment in India? 4. What will be the impact of 6G on India? 5. What is 6G and why is it important? 6G is the next generation of cellular network technology. It is expected to be even faster and more reliable than 5G, with speeds of up to 1 terabyte per second. 6G will also have lower latency, meaning that there will be less delay between sending and receiving data. 6G is important because it will enable new applications and services that are not possible with current cellular network technologies. For example, 6G will be able to support self-driving cars, augmented reality, and virtual reality. It will also be able to support the Internet of Things, IoT, which is a network of billions of physical objects that are connected to the Internet. Challenges that need to be addressed before 6G can be deployed in India. There are a number of challenges that need to be addressed before 6G can be deployed in India. These challenges include spectrum availability. 6G will require a large amount of spectrum, and it's not yet clear how much spectrum will be available for 6G in India. Infrastructure costs. Deploying 6G infrastructure will be expensive, and it's not clear who will bear the cost of deployment. Security and privacy concerns. 6G will generate a huge amount of data, and it's important to ensure that this data is secure and protected from unauthorized access. Timeline for 6G deployment in India. The timeline for 6G deployment in India is still uncertain. However, the Indian government has set a target of launching 6G in India by 2030. Impact of 6G on India. 6G is expected to have a significant impact on India. It will enable new applications and services that will improve the lives of ordinary Indians. For example, it can be used to develop new telemedicine applications that will allow patients to access quality healthcare from anywhere in the country. It can also be used to create immersive virtual learning environments that will make education more engaging and effective for students. Will 6G come to India? Yes, 6G is expected to come to India. The Indian government and industry are working together to accelerate 6G development and deployment in India. 6G is a transformative technology that has the potential to revolutionize India. It will enable new applications and services that will improve the lives of ordinary Indians. The Indian government and industry are working together to accelerate 6G development and deployment in India. In addition to the information provided in the video, here are some additional details about 6G in India. The Indian government has set up a technology innovation group on 6G, TIG 6G, to develop a roadmap for 6G deployment in India. TIG 6G has identified 6 key areas of focus for 6G research. New spectrum technologies, new antenna technologies, new network architectures, new air interface protocols, new security and privacy technologies, and new applications for 6G. TIG 6G has also established a number of partnerships with Indian and international companies to collaborate on 6G research. Some of the major Indian companies that are involved in 6G research include Reliance Jio, Airtel, and Tata Communications. 6G and the Indian economy. 6G is expected to have a significant impact on the Indian economy. A study by the Indian Cellular and Electronics Association (ICA) estimates that 6G will contribute $1.3 trillion to the Indian economy by 2035. 6G and Indian society. 6G is also expected to have a significant impact on Indian society. It will enable new applications and services that will improve the lives of ordinary Indians. For example, it can be used to develop new telemedicine applications that will allow patients to access quality healthcare. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech content.